Good morning, students. I hope everybody is fit and fine. Today's video is from your grammar fun. So open page number 97. Today I am going to teach you adverb and its kinds. From the word itself, you can make out adverb means something which is added to a verb. Means something which is told about a verb is an adverb. Students, what is a verb? Verb is an action word or a doing word. An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb. Let us see some examples. Please read silently. How to read? Silently. So silently is your adverb. Read is your verb. He always tells a lie. Tells. Always tells. So always something told about your verb is adverb. The train is arriving soon. Arriving is your verb. So, when is the train arriving? Soon. Soon is your adverb. We crossed the road safely. Crossed, your verb. How did you cross? Or how did they cross? They crossed the road safely. So, safely is your adverb. John dressed up smartly. Dressed up? How? Smartly. So, smartly is your adverb. Now let me teach you kinds of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. It tells us the way in which something happens. Means how you do an action. To make adverbs of manner, we usually add ly to the adjective. She plays piano beautifully. Beautifully is your adverb of manner. The boy writes neatly. How writes? Neatly. So neatly is your adverb of manner. He drank the milk quickly. Drank quickly. Quickly is your adverb of manner. Adverbs of time. It tells us when an action happened or happens. The newspaper arrives daily. So daily is your adverb of time. Are you coming to work tomorrow? Tomorrow is your adverb. We must get up early. When to get up? Early. So early is your adverb of time. Let me repeat. It tells us when an action happened or happens or will happen. Third one is adverbs of place. It tells us where something happens, means at what place an action is done. The plane flew above my house. Above. Place. Adverb of place. The bus comes here. Here is your adverb of place. Close the door when you go out. Out is your adverb of place. Adverbs of frequency. Frequency means how often an action happens. It describes us how often an action happens or how often someone does something. I always do my homework on time. Always do. Do verb. Always do. Always adverbs of frequency. Suresh is seldom late. Seldom means not often. Very rarely late. So, seldom is your adverbs of frequency. Many people do exercise regularly. Do exercise regularly. So, regularly is your adverbs of frequency. Now everybody open page number 99 of your grammar book for your exercises. Your A question on page number 99. Pick out the adverbs of time in the following sentences. Also name the verb with which each is used. Obey your elders instantly. Where is your verb? Obey. And your adverb of time instantly. Good children go to bed early. Where is the verb? Go. Early adverb of time. We shall get our appointment letters tomorrow. Shall get your adverb, your verb. So where is your adverb? Tomorrow is your adverb. That day all the people arrived late. Arrived, verb, late, adverb of time. They will start their journey now. Will start is your verb and then now is your adverb. The letter came a few days ago. Came is your verb. Ago is your adverb of time. Pick out the adverbs of place. Your B question is pick out the adverbs of place in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. She lives a long way here. Where is the adverb of place? Place here, here. Where is your verb here? Lives, lives here. Adverb of place. They come from there. Come, verb, their, place, adverb of place. His companions have gone out. Have gone out. Gone where? Out. Out is the adverb of place. The manager sat inside. Sat, verb, inside, place. The assistant has gone upstairs. Gone, verb, adverb of place, upstairs. I had been looking for her everywhere. Looking, your verb everywhere is your adverb of place. Your C question is circle the word that does not belong to the group. You just see there are adverbs and then in between there is another word, another part of speech. Can you just see an example? Play, always, exactly, madly, honestly. Now honestly, madly, exactly, always are your adverbs. Play is your verb. Never poorly, discover, totally, seriously. Now see, discover is your odd word out because it's a verb. Rest all are your adverbs. Safely, shine, usually, bright, wildly. Shine, verb, rest all adverbs. So shine is your odd word out. Far, away, frequently, exactly, flame. Flame is your noun. Rest all your adverb. Weakly, late, flee, quickly, nearly. Flee, verb. Teach, often, next, once, nervously. Teach, verb. Quietly, recently, politely, cry, technically, cry, verb, rest all adverb. Rarely, aside, hourly, up, card. Card is your noun, rest all adverb. Turn to page number 100. 9th, fortunately, stick, yesterday, happily, suddenly. Adverbs and one is noun there, so noun is then adverb out, odd word out. Soon, silently, napkin, together, oddly. Now napkin, noun, so odd word out. Kindly, today, twice, river, seldom, river, noun, so rest all adverbs, so odd word out. Rarely, surely, forever, daily, island, island is a noun, so rest all adverb, so this is odd word out. Confuse, verb, perfectly, slowly, truly, tomorrow. Now, appear, verb, instantly, only, heavily. Sometimes, before, really, dance, nearly. Dance is your, can be a noun, can be used as a noun, can be used as a verb. So, this is odd word out. Your D question is fill in the blanks with adverbs of manner. He painted the picture nicely. I helped people gracefully. He held the tray carefully. John dressed smartly. The boy jumped playfully. He spoke to his brother firmly. You talked to me angrily. He walked slowly. He ran fastly. With this, I complete your lesson number 21, the adverbs. Your home assignment is to complete your book exercises, and in an English 1 copy, you're going to write down the meaning of adverb and its kinds with examples. That's all for today. Thank you. God bless you all.